Have evidence for everything in the modern system of medicine. As an Ayurveda doctor, how can you talk about the modern medicine and pharmacology? Then I used to go well prepared, you see, because I have also studied modern medicine and I was the rank holder of the pharmacology in Mysore University. So I told them in which page that you see under the hypothesis that you can consider this drug for this particular disease or whatever it is. After a couple of months or after a year, there is an announcement, you see, this drug is not suitable for that. It has got very side effects and things like that. And for your kind information, not even a single formulation in Ayurveda, whatever that has been said, it is 2000 or 3000 years, it has been from the time of Vedas that it has been existing. Whatever that has been mentioned that day, even today the same dosage and the same medicine is prepared and given and it is effective. Do you need more evidence? I used to ask them. Then they used to say, oh, okay, you are talking with the experience of modern medicine since you have studied in medical college and all that. And of late I have been visiting various organizations. Recently FRLAT had conducted a workshop wherein I went and about more than 30 doctors from the modern system of medicine had come. When we were discussing about the pandemic situation, and they said that you see, we have seen our patients using your herb and they have this response and all that. And recently there was an international workshop on the medicinal plants and they had also called me about that, wherein I went there and instead of speaking of the medicinal plants, I collected the statistics from various countries as to how much of medicinal plants after the pandemic situation that is being used. And what was all in millions, today it is all in billions. So that is the awareness about the medicinal plant that people have realized, and the experts from various fields of medicine have also realized. I am extremely happy that yesterday and today we had very friendly discussion, very informative and very educative. I am sure that we were not able to have such discussions earlier, and I must thank again Dr. Kishore, who has been the organizing secretary and organized this international conference so very well, and all of you have participated very well. I pray Lord Dhanvantari to bestow his choicest blessings on all of you, to give you the best of health and all the success in taking Ayurveda to the world. Thank you.